Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, this will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock, so if you have one set that you just don't know, this will get rid of it. Though the way you get to turn off the device is a little bit different compared to if you know the screen lock. So, let me explain. If you have a screen lock, obviously you'll be stuck on your screen right here, like this, and to turn off your device, you will need to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And you do want to interact with the display so it doesn't time out. Obviously there's a timeout on it, and after like 10 seconds it turns off, which is just a little bit shorter than it takes for the device to actually turn off fully by holding these two buttons. So you do want to interact with the display so you know when screen turns off. That means that the device actually turned off. Anyway, so that's number one. Number two, we will need a cable that is plugged into our device and also connected to the computer. Now, when I connect it, you might be able to hear it from the computer, the sound. Any sound would be nice. Hello? I guess not. Okay, so there is no sound now. Not that I want to actually display it or showcase. Anyway, I'm pretty sure it is connected, but oh no, it's connected in my imagination. Okay, that would actually explain a lot. So let's try it again. So hopefully that was audible. Anyway, we don't need to allow anything. The reason we need a cable that is connected to our computer is because Samsung made it harder to boot the device into recovery mode, and this is just what you need to actually boot it into recovery mode. Now, with that being said, for people that know their screen lock, just swipe down here, select your power button, and choose power off, tap on it once more, and this will turn off the device. For people that don't know their screen lock, you will be holding your power button and volume down, though I recommend, there we go, lighting the display and then interacting with it. Once it turns off, meaning right about now, switch to volume up instead. So power button and volume up. Now when you see the Samsung logo, let go of the power button. If you hold it for a little bit too long, this will actually turn off the device again. So if you see Samsung logo and then the screen just turns black for a little bit too long, start holding the power button once more and try to let go of it a little bit quicker when you see just the Samsung logo. Anyway, in here, using volume buttons, you want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset using volume buttons, and then confirm it using your power button. Select Factory Data Reset. As you can see, at the bottom you should see Data Wipe Complete. And once that is visible, Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power button to initiate reboot, and this will continue resetting the device in the background. It will take it a little bit longer to boot back up because it is continuing in the background, but once the process is finished, you will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.